Hello, welcome to English for Everyone. Today we're talking about really, and the position of really is very important. It changes the idea. So if you want to express your opinion, you can say, I don't like grapes. I don't like them. If someone offers you grapes, if you say, I don't like them, it's not very polite. It's more polite to use really after don't. I don't really like grapes. I don't really like grapes. It's less emphasis, and it's more polite. I don't really like grapes, or I don't really like them. Thank you. But if you put really before don't, I really don't like grapes. This has more emphasis. It's very strong. I really don't like grapes. Almost like I hate grapes. Let's practice. Do you like heavy metal? I have tickets to a concert.
No, thank you. I don't really care for it.
Do you like heavy metal? Very good. Do you like the new song from Metallica? It's great, isn't it?
No, I really don't care for it.
Do you like the new song? Very good. Hey, do you want to watch Titanic? It's on Netflix.
Oh, no, thank you. I'm not really a big fan of it.
Do you want to watch Titanic on Netflix? Very good. What do you think about the movie Titanic? They show it on TV all the time.
Yeah, I really don't like it. I'm really not a big fan of it.
What do you think about it? Very good. What do you like? Soccer? Basketball? Tennis? Let's play some sports.
No, thank you. I'm not really into sports.
What about you? Very good. Do you play any sports?
No, I don't play any sports. I'm really not into sports.
Do you play any sports? Very good. Hey, let's bake a cake. It'll be fun.
Thanks, but it's not really my thing.
Do you want to bake a cake? Very good. So, do you cook anything?
No, I don't cook anything. It's really not my thing.
Do you cook anything? Very good. Hey, let's watch a scary movie. It's Halloween.
Thanks, but I'm not really interested in scary movies.
What about you? Very good. Do you ever watch scary movies?
No, I never watch scary movies. I'm really not interested in scary movies.
Do you ever watch scary movies? Very good. So we see the position of really is important. When we put it after don't, it's less emphasis and it's more polite. So if someone invites you to watch a movie, you can be polite. I don't really want to watch it. But if they insist, come on, let's go, then you can be more assertive and move really before don't. I really don't want to watch it. Stronger, more assertive. Hey, let's go play soccer.
No, thank you. I'm not really into sports.
Very polite. Now, I push. Come on, the weather's perfect. Let's go.
No, I really don't want to play sports. I'm very tired.
Do you want to play soccer? Come on, the weather's perfect. Let's go. Very good. Let's watch a zombie movie.
No, thank you. I don't really like scary movies.
But it's the best one.
No, I really don't want to. I really don't like scary movies.
Let's watch a zombie movie. Come on, it's really good. Very good. Hey, do you want to go to a concert?
No, thank you. I don't really want to go to the concert.
It's you too, and I got free tickets from work.
No, I really don't want to. I'm really tired today.
Do you want to go to the concert? I got free tickets. Very good. So remember, using really in the correct order can help you express yourself better if you want to sound more polite or more assertive. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and watch it again. And tell a friend.